Hey guys, Nick here from Reality Daydream, and today I want to talk to you about this sweet leather ottoman. This is an ottoman that we made personally about 3 years ago. We'll link to it down below in the description, but since we've had it 3 years and with 3 kids, it's seen a lot of use and abuse, and to be honest, we haven't really taken the best care as far as applying stuff to the leather. So we decided to partner with Mohawk finishing products.
Huge thanks to our sponsor Mohawk Finishes for making this project possible.
With the kids' homework and arts and crafts, it was only a matter of time before this ottoman saw some ink. With Mohawk's ink remover, it's really designed for fresh ink stains, but what it will do is lift the ink out of the leather, and so you'll apply it with this little glue stick looking applicator, and then you'll come back and wipe it down with a cloth. We did notice a slight improvement, but with the ink being set for so long, there was just no way it was going to completely come out. It's a really good idea to test the ink remover, the cleaner, and the sealer protector in an inconspicuous spot. You really want to make sure that it's not going to discolor the leather. Once the ink remover is dry, we're going to move on to the cleaner. Mohawk provides a sponge applicator, and you'll squeeze the cleaner into the sponge applicator and apply it to the leather. Using the sponge with the cleaner will create a lather. The cleaner does a good job removing all the dirt and grime that's been built up over the years. It also helps prepare it for the leather protector. Next, you want to liberally apply the leather protector with a lint-free cloth. Our ottoman was so dried out and cracked. It really is amazing how well of a job this did at restoring the leather. Today it looks as good as the day that we built it. Mohawk recommends that you reapply the leather protector every 1 to 3 months. We were really happy with how this turned out. If you would like to see additional videos related to this content, please do us a favor and like and subscribe.